My friend, do you feel numb? Dumating ka na ba sa puntong manhid ka? Yung wala ka nang nararamdaman. Parang you're just going with the flow. Nako, kaibigan, I can totally relate. I fully understand you. So let's talk about that today sa another segment natin ng Real Talk, wherein we talk about things that other people wouldn't even dare to talk about or they're scared to talk about. In this channel, there's no pagpapanggap, there is no mask. Mask off tayo. Yung ating real emotions, yung ating real na nararamdaman. So, you know what, my friend? I think the reason na nararamdaman mo yan, yung nawala na yung care factor mo, no? So much hurt. You've been through a lot. Marami kang pinagdaanan, maraming pangako, maraming disappointment, maraming discouragement na na-experience ka siguro. I don't know what your journey is, so ano pinagdaanan mo, yung right now. But you know what, my friend? Hindi ka nag-iisa. Kasi maraming ganyan eh. Marami ako nakakausap, and even me, naramdaman ko yung feeling na yan na parang wala ka ng care factor. Parang you numb yourself to the point wherein kahit na may bombang sumabog sa harap mo, even there's a bomb that explode there, wala ka ng pakialam. That's the right word pala, yung pakialam, di ba? In Tagalog. So, my friend, alam mo, even though it's a feeling of uncertainty, feeling of, you don't know what to do. There's a verse in the Bible in Ezekiel 36:26 where it says there that I will give you a new heart. I will soften your heart. Paraphrasing basahin mo na lang. Ezekiel 36:26. And I will put a new spirit in it. So babaguhin daw tayo ng Panginoon. Kasi alam mo, mahirap din minsan yung masyado tayong numb na eh. It's a dangerous situation to be in because marami kang naisip. Nawawala na rin yung fears. And yung fears, it's a good emotion sometimes because it's a warning. 'Di ba? Minsan pagka wala ka ng care factor, nakakaramdam ka na ng invincibility. And because of that, baka meron kang magawang hindi maganda or hindi tama. You will take a lot of risk. So, kaya dapat kinakailangan nating baguhin din eh. Kailangan din natin i-balance. I know, my friend, that it's hard. I know it's difficult. And I know that it's your defense mechanism. Because sa sobrang dami mo ng hurt, kumbaga, para ka na si Fernando Po Jr., FPJ, bugbog na bugbog ka na. You tend to build a wall. And in that wall, it's only you. And no one can hurt you anymore kind of thing, Parang kasi pagod ka na eh, sawa ka na, parang ayaw mo nang masaktan. Ganun eh, no? Pero sabi nga sa Bible we have to heal. We have to make sure na yung ating puso, tayo, as an individual, nag-i-improve, no? And it takes time. It takes time, I'm also in that journey of, things that it's not going my way, disappointment, yung mga ganun ba, frustration, and then you think na it's about to happen, then all of a sudden, bang, hindi pa rin nangyayari, walang changes, parang ganun, di ba? But, my friend, gusto ko lang kitang encourage na mabuti ng Panginoon kasi kahit na nandyan ka sa stage na yan, kahit na nandyan ka dyan sa numbness or no care factor at all, hindi ka niya pinababayaan. That's why we're in this channel watching this. That's why we are here together, nag-uusap, di ba? So put mo yung comment mo, share this video dahil maraming need na makarinig ng mensahe. Maraming need na maramdaman nila that they're not alone. Napaka-importante nun eh. Because loneliness and being alone is a bad feeling as well, and it adds to that numbness of feeling and being doesn't care anymore. So my friend, encourage kita this week na heal slowly, do things that you like to do, mag-video ka, mag-basketball ka, mag-bike ka, mag-walking ka, tumakbo ka, any productive things. Get your mind out of things as well. And I know, my friend, sometimes, work helps as well. Pero kung ang work mo, toxic, make sure na do something different. Basta anything positive. Productive is the right word. And yung numbness mo, yung care factor mo, mawawala yan. And remember lang natin, kaibigan, na may nagmamahal sa atin. Hindi man ito tao, andyan ang Diyos. And then, if you have a dog, if you have a pet, yun pa ang isang magandang healing mechanism or method na nakaka-help, having a pet. Knowing that, unconditional love. So my friend, have a great day. Stay blessed, stay peaceful, stay loving. Remember, the best is yet to come. So, easy lang tayo, and we'll be okay. Until next time. Thank you, my friend. God bless.